Dhrabi Dam, located near Chakwal in Punjab, Pakistan, holds a deep history that speaks to the heart of the community. Imagine a place where water was scarce, where farmers struggled and families lived in uncertainty, until the idea of this dam came to life. In the early 1990s, the region faced a desperate need for water. It was a challenge that couldn't be ignored any longer. The Potahar Plateau, with its unpredictable rainfall, needed a solution. Could the local government do something to solve this? The answer came in the form of the Dhrabi Dam project, launched in 1994. And by 2001, the dream became a reality. The dam wasn't just about storing water. No, it became the lifeline for farmers, a savior for agriculture in a region where every drop mattered. The reservoir captured rainwater that would otherwise be lost, offering much-needed relief and boosting productivity for the local community. But it didn't stop there. Over time, the Dhrabi Dam transformed into something more, a peaceful haven, a place to escape, relax, and reconnect with nature. People now visit to enjoy its calm waters, surrounded by hills, and it feels like a reminder that sometimes the most challenging problems can lead to the most beautiful solutions. Isn't it incredible to think about how a dam, born out of necessity, turned into a symbol of hope, unity, and progress for the people of Dhrabi? Truly, it shows the power of vision, determination, and community working together to change their future.